Calculation of adjusted profit is not common to you, but still you need to learn because you don't know what type of question will be there in your exam. In our previous lesson, we journalized 5 transactions here. Now we will see after the generalizations what is the impact on the draft profit of the business, and we will calculate final adjusted profit here. So you can practice efficiently. I have taken these 5 transactions from 2023 O-level IGCSE accounting past papers. Ramla has calculated her draft profit figure for the year ended 20th February 2023. Adjustments in Ramla's ledger accounts have still to be made for the following errors. So here we see 5 transactions. What is our requirement? Complete the following table by entering the amounts of each adjustments required to calculate Ramla's adjusted profit. Okay, so here we will now check the adjusted profit. Okay, how much comes at the end of the financial period 28th February 2023. Okay, so here on the question the draft profit is given. Okay, we will write the draft profit first. So here draft profit $11,650. Okay, it is given on the question. Okay, now here first transaction was an amount of $99 owed to Ramla by my is to be written off as irrecoverable. Okay, so for this one we generalized irrecoverable debts to be debited and my account to be credited. So irrecoverable debts, it is an expense, you know. So it is debited means expense increased. Okay, when expense credited means expense decreased. Okay, don't forget. So here expense debited means it is decreasing. So now when expense decrease, what will be the impact on the profit? Profit increase or decrease? Well, it is decreased. Yeah, so expense increase means profit decrease. Common sense. So we will write here number 1. So here the profit will be decreased. We will write here decreasing profit. How much? It is $99. Oops. So we will write here $99. Okay, so negative figure. Good. Next transaction is here. Fixtures and fittings $875 were purchased on credit from Padma. Okay, so we wrote here fixtures and fittings debited and Padma credited. Fixtures and fittings, these are asset, non-current asset. So asset comes in the income statement? No, not at all. Okay, asset goes to the statement of financial position. Okay, or balance sheet. So as it doesn't come here in the income statement, that means there is no impact on the profit for assets. Okay, so we will write here number 2, no effect. Okay, so here nothing, dollar column. Then number 3 here, a loan repayment $500 had been incorrectly recorded as loan interest. So here we wrote loan debited and loan interest credited. Loan is a liability, so liability debited means liability decreased. Okay, when liability increased it will be credited. So here it is debited, that means liability decreased. And loan interest $500, it is credited. So it is an expense credited. Okay, that means when expense is credited, expense decreased, right? So decreased in expense, what is the impact on the profit, draft profit? Profit increase or decrease? So when expense decrease, that means profit will be increased, right? So let us write here number 3. We will write here increase in profit. So here how much? $500. Okay. So number 3 done. Number 4 is here. Rent paid $350 had been recorded as $530. So here we wrote cash or bank to be debited $180 and rent credited $180. How 180? The correct amount was 350 but mistakenly written 530. So 530 minus 350 equal to $180. Okay. So here rent is credited. Means rent is here decreased. Okay. So decreased in expense means increase in profit. Okay. So here profit will be again increased. So let us write here number 4. Increase in profit. So we will write here $180. Okay. Then number 5. On the question, drawings $120 had been debited to the wages account. Debited to the wages account. So here we wrote drawings to be debited $180, $120 and wages to be credited $120. So again wages here credited means expense decreased. Okay. So same expense decreased means profit increase. Expense increased means profit decrease. Opposite relation. Okay. Expense decrease, profit increase, profit decrease, expense increase. Okay. Don't forget. So we will write here number 5 here. Increase in profit. Okay, so here it is $120. Okay. Now we will calculate our adjusted profit. So here draft profit was $11,650. From this amount we will subtract $99. Okay, this will reduce the profit and we add all 3 amounts. Okay, so after the calculation we get here 12,351. Okay, so this is adjusted profit. So this calculation is very complicated, many of you think, but see, if you understand this tutorial today, whatever question is given you will be able to answer in your exam.